Hey there, it's me Sabrina from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through how to reverse a video on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump in. First, all you gotta do is tap on the plus icon which is at the bottom of your screen. Now record or upload a video. Now tap on the drop down menu which is at the right side of your screen. There you can find many options. Now select FX option. Now swipe to your right and then select time option. There you can find reverse option. Select that option. And this is how you can reverse a TikTok video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.